for it. Jeez, Noah, just push me out.
Grass coming up there.
It was coming up here yesterday.
That would be so funny.
It's the first time I haven't snowboarded with a big lollipop in my mouth for a long time.
You have gum?
Yeah, you're chewing on it.
I know, it's good.
Oh, I thought you asked me if I have gum.
No, I said you have gum. It's good. Where'd you get it from?
I bought it before I came to Utah.
Dude, I wish you would just dump snow right now. They need to, like, grow more. Dude, she ate it.
I love how little kids just stay there, immobilized.
I know. Is that the same little girl that ate crab? Remember? Wow!
Could be.
Look at this kid. I just want this kid that's like fake pushing just to fall on his face. Look at that kid, he's dead. Oh, loser! You dead!
Looks my left foot's very tired.
So is mine.
My right foot's just tingling, it's not really tired.
Did you just say you farted and now your butt is tingling?
How did that even sound like that? I said my foot is tingling, it's not tired though.
Oh.
Die, Satan!
They kind of pull it back a little bit every time, like,
March. Oh, look, man.